What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this always gets me. It always gets me. When you see price predictions for 2030 and you see standard prices, honestly, you see a very minuscule percentage and you're like, it's going to take you a long time to get to this level, being super conservative. It always throws me off, and I don't want to deal with that analytical company or the analytics that are behind it or the people that are behind it, because it doesn't make sense to see the market stand still at whatever the highest market cap it could be and basically predicting that the crypto market just won't move. It's funny to me because you're not looking at adoption. You're not looking at the market to actually get to a higher level. You're just saying that this is what I see it getting to based on some of these previous projections that we have seen. So guys, let's look at this article. Let's also give you maybe a little bit of an update on where Shiba Inu is. We've recorded the last video like 10 minutes ago, so honestly, there isn't much change, but just to get this breakdown, you never know if people are going to only watch this video or watch that video. So we have to do a little bit of a breakdown of where Shiba Inu is. Sorry if you hear noise. We have kids that are just running around and jumping upstairs. So I don't know. But guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description. And if you want to check out my credit card YouTube channel, feel free to check that out. It's going to be up in the cards. We're trying to grow that to 1,000 subscribers and get to a monetized state so they actually push out our content. YouTube really only pushes out content once it gets to a monetized state, because that's where they can make revenue, when they place ads on your videos. So anyways, let's talk about Shiba Inu a little bit. Let's show you where it is. Currently, again, it's at 0.0000732, 50732. It's at a 40 or $4 billion market cap with about 60 or 70 million dollars in volume. So we're seeing a decent amount of movement, right? I would say if you're looking at movement, it's in a range where you're seeing it at a consolidated state, but you're seeing a lot of movement within it, right? If you were looking for, a day trade, you could probably find something, quick within it, but you have to find the right time with it. Swing trades are where it's at, though. We're looking for that larger swing trade to get back to some average prices, to get back to the all-time high, to get back to levels that or not get back to, but get to levels that we believe cryptocurrency will get to and Shiba Inu will get to. So that's really what we're focusing on here and hoping for here. But again, there are a lot of predictions that are out there, a ton of predictions that are out there that are talking about how we could see, a 100% gain in a matter of 2 years. And it's like, that's absolutely amazing. Some people are like, that's amazing. And I'm like, that's not amazing. 100% gain is kind of back to normal prices. If we see it at 0.000007 and we double that price, that's at 0.000014, which honestly was the average price that it was hovering around within kind of, I would say, consolidating markets, the middle stages of where we were. Not all-time highs where it was at 4 zeros and an 8. But in the lower end, still at the lower end, because right now it's at a low price, and even taking away 1 zero will be at a low price. So to say that it's only going to move 100% or 200% is crazy. But then when you get to the point where they're like 7 years later, this is what the price will be, and that price is not the best price or the price you hoped for, it's like, what are you really putting into this? You know what I mean? So let's look at this right here. So there's a forecast, right? Comes from Watcher Guru, and Shiba Inu forecast to rise 950%. Here's when. So in 2022-2023, crypto winter phase has not yet come to its conclusion. Assets like Shiba Inu have registered several minor recoveries. However, they have not been able to convert them into full-fledged rallies. Low trading, and that's because of the markets, really. It's because of the SEC and everything that's going on there. Low trading volume and deficient liquidity have been the primary reasons for the price stagnation over the past 24 hours. Nevertheless, the crypto market has seen an influx of buyers. SHIB managed to appreciate by 2% and climb up by a rank on the market cap front. In this article, however, we focus on the long-term outlook of SHIB rather than its short-term prospects. I don't know if we're focusing on the long-term aspect of it, right? Then we need to focus on what the crypto market will be, as well as understanding the historical data and putting that price prediction there. So how much will SHIB be worth in 2030? Investors can expect SHIB's long-term state of affairs to improve with time. As far as the price front is concerned, SHIB could end up fetching up 10x returns in its investors in just a few years. I mean, a 10x return at these levels would get us to less than the all-time high. Now, I think we could see that happen, especially if we're looking at a bull run. Again, this is just my opinion as we kind of have sidebar. But to say that it's going to happen in a few or several years is crazy. I mean, it's not crazy because you never know what's going to happen with the crypto market. But if we all believe in crypto, we're going to see crypto flourish, and SHIB will be a part of that. According to the crypto price tracker website, Digital Coin Price, all SHIB technical indicators point out to the market sentiment has been neutral lately, making it unfavorable to sell the asset at this stage. However, when zoomed out, the tale seemed different. According to their analyst, SHIB will be able to delete a zero and rise to 0.000019 in 2024. Over the next 3 subsequent years, Digital Coin Price estimated SHIB's value to increase to 0.000026 to 0.000033, and then in 2028 to 2029, the asset forecast to clinch basically 4 zeros and a 4. Or 2 4 zeros and a 5. SHIB expected to continue the bullish trend, eventually reaching a price of 0.00007 by 2030, from the current price of 0.00007, and where it is right now. That would be a 946% increase. Now, we can all say wholeheartedly, we can all collectively agree that sucks. That's not, a great increase for 7 years. You're basically saying that we're just going to see it based on the price history rather than what cryptocurrency will do as a whole and the amount of holders within it. I don't agree with that. This is kind of a conservative cop-out saying, yeah, it's going to increase, but it's going to get back close to all-time highs and then it's going to be over with. That's not what I see within it. But then again, you never know what could happen. I definitely see a level where it's not only dropping 1 zero, but 2 zeros. Now, everything after that, that's where it starts to get maybe a little bit dicey, depending on all of these other situations that happen, which honestly is not too far away from where they have it at 10x. It may be a 15 or 20x return. But the point is, can we find all these other things or do all these other things to make it a better return for all of us? So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Let me know your thoughts down below. Does this prediction to 10x by 2030 suck, or does it make sense? Are you pushing for that as a minimum, which is always good, right? If you have a conservative outlook with that, and you see that as a minimum, that's not a bad thing. 10x return from where you are, but it depends where you invested. There are people that invested at that level. There are people that invested just below that level and hoping to see so much more out of it. And maybe they didn't average down. So it's tricky, right? Let me know your opinion down in the comment section. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my new credit card YouTube channel that's up in the cards, and any other channel that's on YouTube. I appreciate you guys. My hands are freezing, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.